I've got a Slut Box unboxing. You're gonna wanna stick around. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Michelle from Mascara to Midnight. Take just a minute to subscribe to my channel. You won't wanna miss a minute of the crazy stuff I do on my channel. My phone just fell off. It's slippery. Why is it so slippery? Today I have something strange for you. It may be PG-13 over here, so be aware you may not want to watch this in front of your kids. I can't promise you what we're about to see. The name of this box is called Slut Box. And when my husband saw it come up on the credit card, he got a little happy. You know what I mean? I'm going to link it for you down here so that you can go check it out. This is just one of the smaller boxes. I just got a little small box just to kind of see what comes in it. It's a Slut Box Mini, and I've got a code here for you. I'm going to put it in the description. You can just click open the link, take you right over there, and enter this code in that I'm going to put there for you so you can get $5 off your box. And if I like it, I'll go and, you know, do maybe a 3-month subscription of the bigger box. So let's dig in and see what's going on here. This is called Mixed Chicks Morning After Redefining Foam. And it is not what you think it is. This is for your hair. I got a little scared there, but no, it's for your hair. That's gonna be fun. My bottle is warped. It won't stand straight. That's fine. Doesn't bother me. This is Skin Chemist. I gotta look at it to read it to you. Rose Quartz Youth Defense Lip Plump. Pretty, 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 pretty. Gotta smell it, gotta smell it. Minty. Okay, you're gonna wanna subscribe if for no other reason than I am gonna be trying out some lip plumpers coming up, and you are gonna wanna find out from me which one the best is. So stay tuned for that. Now we've got, it's called Love Blush Stick. If I can get this open for you. Oh, look at this. How cute is that? It comes with a little, what is this? Oh my goodness. It's a brush. Oh, wow. How pretty is that? Let's try it. Pretty. That's really pretty. Just gotta try it. Pretty. It's pretty. I think I already said that. And here is what my husband was hoping we'd find something good. This is a cocoa lube, and it says, "Do not disturb, getting busy." The bigger boxes have some, you know, more adult items in it. Anyways, I think I'm going to go ahead and try another one. This is actually pretty fun. It's quite unique, quite different from other things on the market. I'm going to give it another try. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I mean, you just never know what you're going to find on my channel. That's why you want to subscribe. It's chaos here all the time. Coming up, I'm going to have the lip plumpers. I've got some more beauty boxes coming up. I've got some clothing boxes. We're going to talk about Botox. Oh, we got some makeup try-ons. We've got some favorites. You just don't want to miss any of it. I'll see you real soon. Bye.